Okay, good morning student. Welcome back in a very heavy rain day. Uh, 8th A division maths lecture, chapter number 4, topic median altitude, example and questions we have completed yesterday. What is a median? Median is a segment joining vertices and a midpoint of opposite side. For example, what I am telling. Any triangle is there. Take a midpoint. This is midpoint. This is midpoint opposite to P. This is midpoint opposite to Q, opposite to B, opposite to C. These are the midpoint. P is the midpoint of BC, Q is the midpoint of AC, R is the midpoint of E. What is the definition of median? It is a segment joining vertices and a midpoint of opposite point. Midpoint. Definition of median. It is a segment joining vertices and a midpoint of opposite side. Definition of median. It is a segment joining vertices and opposite midpoint. This is the definition of median. Median always be shown by G, gravitational point. Three lines are concurrent because it is passing from one point. That one point is known as concurrent point, and three lines are said to be concurrent line. So, one more method to find out the midpoint. That also you can apply if you don't want to measure by scale. Don't open the mic. All midpoint we have to find. Again whose mic is on. Okay, I want to find out midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC, no? So from B and C. From B upside downside. From C upside downside. Like this. From B 1 2. From C 1 2. So this is a point P, midpoint. Exactly the same you have to do for AB. For AB. For AB. From B 1 2. From A 1 2. From B 1 2. From A 1 2. Now join this. P, this is Q. This is known as perpendicular bisector, which you have learned in 5th standard. Now BC midpoint I want. So sorry, AC. So from C 1 2. From A 1 2. Now join this. So this is P, this is Q, this is R. Now, here frequency is okay. rest of the students are no sending message, calling at that time also. Now see, okay, now joint A and P. Now joint A and P. Now joint B and R. Now joint Q and C. So now this is your G. So this is the second method for finding midpoint. By scale also you can find, suppose it is 8 cm 4 4, suppose it is 6 cm 3 3, like that. Now 4.4, there is only one exercise. Sorry. First it is given. This is median, this is altitude. Both given in same diagram. Element x, y. So which is altitude? Which is median? Altitude is ln, lx, and median is ly. Which joint midpoint? That is median, and which is perpendicular? This is altitude. Only two questions they have asked, nothing to draw. Draw an acute angle. Draw all the altitudes. Wait 10 seconds. Draw an draw acute angle PQR. Name the point of concurrent SO. Acute PQR. Okay, so this is P, this is Q, this is R. You have to draw the triangle whose all three angles are less than 90. Then, with the help of this triangle, you can draw altitude. So, on this line, I will scroll this till point P. Correct? Now, from this line, this, wait karo. Then this, then this line, move up to point P. So from P to A, Q to B, R to C, and this is O. All 90 degree you have to show, otherwise you will lose 1 mark. So this is question number 1. From your side only now people are sending message. Now students are asking for link. Very good. See what I do. because Wi-Fi is working very less, low frequency. Wi-Fi is more frequent up and down, but in this, okay. Draw obtuse angle STV. Draw median. Who asked? Now obtuse AST. Not acute, obtuse. Obtuse STV, median. STV. And take the midpoint. Is 1477 P. Q. R. Take the midpoint. First midpoint, second midpoint, third midpoint. Try to join S with Q. With this is here. Okay, this is G. Third, fourth one. Draw obtuse angle element, altitude, element and altitude. Like this you have to do, because you can slant with that, you can scroll. Fourth, L, N. Now with this, scroll on this line. So in between lots of. In this, just move up to N. From here I have scrolled for N, and that I will extend. Okay. Now scroll on this. What is that? Scroll up to L. Up to L. Now with this, I join and extend. Okay. Now from midpoint, actually I will go here 90 degree, but if you will join this, no, automatically it will be a midpoint. Array 90 degree. So join this. So this is a perpendicular altitude on this. This and this perpendicular altitude on this and this perpendicular altitude on this, but we have to extend outside. So for obtuse angle O, orthose angle always outside, G always inside, median intersection inside, and this outside. Fifth, right angle triangle. right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degree. So very easy. I'll use this only. Okay, this is right angle triangle. Now in right angle triangle, median we have to do, median. So measure the side and find out midpoint. So half, half and half. Okay, so this is for fifth. They have given x, y, z. Wait. Okay, now opposite to x, P. This is Q. This is R. Midpoint. These are the midpoint. P is the midpoint of YZ. Q is the midpoint of XY. R is the midpoint of on a midpoint. Again on a midpoint. And now we have to join again a midpoint. Okay, so this is your G point. In obtuse angle, in right angle triangle, in obtuse triangle, right angle triangle, and acute triangle, every time G you will be get inside. Now to draw isosceles triangle, the name is not given. Isosceles triangle, and both we have to draw. Median also, altitude also. हाँ प्लीज करो. वेट. आज है ना एकदम रेनी है ना तो today tension to result is there, no, so students are asking and calling and messaging and all that. Wait, if I'll be side. isosceles triangle whose two sides are equal, it is isosceles triangle. Again I will give how to do. Okay, how isosceles triangle you will draw in your notebook. First take a base, for example 5 centimeter. Then take more than 5 centimeter, 7 or 8. For example 8 centimeter. From here 8 centimeter. From here 8 centimeter. 1, 2. The intersection point join here. And take a midpoint. Join here. Take a midpoint. Take a midpoint. Join here. Join here. That is your G. So like that, I will find out the midpoints of all. So this one is a midpoint. This one is a midpoint. This one is a midpoint. So first join all the midpoints with opposite vertices. So these are median. Median. First median, second median, third median. In the names, this is median as well as perpendicular. So this is A, this is B, this is P, this is P, this is Q, this is R. And now we have to find out perpendicular. One perpendicular we got. Now another perpendicular we will draw. From here, slant up to C. So this is a altitude. From here up to this B point. So where red line meeting, that is G, because by median, and this is by perpendicular, this is O. You must have observed O and G are on same line. At the end, what you will write? O and G are on same line. That is what? That is what? Perpendicular bisector of base of isotriangle. O and G are on the same line. Which line? Perpendicular bisector. It is perpendicular also, bisector also of isosceles triangle of base. That one I have given just idea. Now last question. One diagram is given. You have to write the answers. With a scale you have to measure. Suppose which is given, GC given, so on GC put the scale and find. But on the base of rule of median, how to get? It is given A, B, C, P, Q, R, G. Three things given. RG, BG, AP. It is given what to find out? GC, BQ, AG and GP. RG is 2.5. BG is 6. AP total. Now CG. See, compared to this is double. This is double, so double of this. Now BQ. This is BQ is what? BG plus GQ. So this is 6. This is half. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 centimeter. AG. So PG is equal to AG AP by 3. So total is 6 by 3. So this is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter double 4 centimeter. So GP is double of AP. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4 centimeter. Suppose this big one is given, no, make it half. Suppose small one is given, no, make it double. And suppose full is given, this is 1/3 and this is 2/3, and direct this plus this you have to make the 2 for every median. So take a screenshot fast. अरे जिसको एकदम परफेक्ट दिख रहा है वो लो, बाकी उसमें ग्रुप में डालो. Whose screen is clear, no, take the photograph and put that same photograph into the group, so rest of the student will get. This is the full learned solution of 4.1. This is 5th, this is 6th, this is 7th. 7 solution. 1.4, 1 to 7 solution. Now take